Welcome to Renterio. We are back with another unit, which is a work in progress unit, which I want to show you guys. So in this apartment, we are doing a full-fledged interiors from the modular kitchen, wardrobes, Aristo doors, and everything. So let me just take you through what exactly we are doing in this particular unit. So if you see, this is the main living area. Currently work is in progress, and if you see, this is the design given to the client, and we are yet to do the paneling. So the paneling would come somewhere at this area. We are planning a simple TV unit wall mounted at this particular space. That's a huge balcony here after the living area. And if you come this way, let me see what is given. So if you see here, we have this kind of crockery unit which is planned, and this is the current status of that. It is work in progress, it is yet to be completed. We are halfway through. We are just in 1 week of handover time, and we should be able to complete this at the earliest in a day or two. Let me just take you through what design we have given for the kitchen and what is the current status. If you see the design for the kitchen, this is one of the sides. So you have the crockery unit on both the sides, and this is coming inner. That is exactly where it is. If you see here, it's a lot of storage here. If what you see, we are building, and this is going to be a short pantry which is coming. We are also doing the short pantry for the first time here. And if you see at this area, we're going to have a wicker basket, and then this is going to be the rolling shutter. So this is one of the baskets which I've just procured for them. And you see the developer has already given the granite countertop. So we're kind of building the storage below that. It's kind of made to order kind of a thing. And then we have the sink here. So guys, this is we are in the utility space. We have left some space for the washing machine. As I said, this is work in progress. This is the laminate chosen for the kitchen, whole of the kitchen base unit. It's a satin finish laminate. And if you see here, let me just take you to the kitchen. So this is the space for the sink with drain board. Below that, we're going to put some more storage and accessories and stuff. And as I said, this is the wicker basket which we are using for the flat. It's going to come here. It's a 3-piece wicker basket which will come here, yet to be fixed anyways. And if you see this is the rolling shutters. So we're going to have the rolling shutters here. And if you see, this is a lot of storage here. This is concealed. This was given for the fridge, but we ultimately decided that we're going to have the fridge will be outside, and we'll use this as for more storage. This is going to have, this place is for short pantry, and this we will have shutters on top of this for more storage. So this is exactly what we are doing in the kitchen, and this is the other side of the crockery unit, and this is the hall side of the crockery unit. And then guys, this is the puja unit which we have planned here. Let me just show you a 3D design. This is the puja unit which we have planned. So this is what's going to come here, and we're going to have the shutters, CNC cut shutters, which we're going to place here. And then let me just take you through the bedrooms. This is the wardrobe, Aristo wardrobe, which we are doing in this particular room. It's a floor to ceiling wardrobe which we have planned here, and we have made the carcass for them, and Aristo is going to come and fit the door shutters here. So if you see, this is till the loft. It's single door which will be placed here. We have given some 100 mm of space for the track. So this is in the bedroom. This is what we have done. And if you see here, there's a study unit which will be planned at this area. And guys, so this is the smallest room, so this is more likely to be used as an office room. Let me just take you through what we are doing in the other room. If you see here, guys, this is the master bedroom actually, and this is going to be an Aristo door again here on the side of the wardrobe. So he's gone now. So we are in the master bedroom. This is work in progress video. So basically, this is what we have built for them. We have built the carcass for them, and this carcass we're going to place the Aristo doors here. It's a floor to ceiling doors which we'll be placing, and this is like a 5-door wardrobe at this side. And if you see, come to the other part of the area, this is the dressing unit, just the box which we have done. We're going to have the doors placed and everything, and a mirror placed on this. So because we got very good light here, so we have planned a dressing unit at this area. Let me just take you to the next room, which is the guest bedroom. So guys, we are in the guest So we are in the guest bedroom of 3-bedroom apartment at Arvind Skyline. If you see, the wardrobe is done here, and we are trying to do the upper panel here on the loft. This is also going to be a Aristo's door, which you're going to place it here. So now you can see the carpenter is kind of putting all of the panel on the top, and then the Aristo people will come and fix the doors there. So this is what we are doing right now. This is a work in progress video, and this is in the site of Arvind Skylines, which is there in Jakkur in North Bangalore. If you see here, guys, this is a 4-door wardrobe, his and hers, and a single door from floor to ceiling, a single door. So which is planned in this area. And guys, if you're looking for some kind of interior work which you want to do in your apartment, do get in touch with us. We are ready to direct manufacturers of modular kitchens and wardrobe, and we can turn around any space within a 30 days of time into the design which we submit to you, or the designs which you guys want us to build for you. So thank you so much for watching this work in progress video, and I hope you please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much.